Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do printhead alignment on an Epson XP5150. Now this is nice and simple, done from the printer using the control panel you can see here. So from the home screen of the printer, we're going to move ourselves along to maintenance using the right arrow here. Then we press OK to go in. And printhead alignment is the third option. So down, down, and then OK. Now on this page, you've got several different alignment methods. You've got basic, vertical, ruled alignment, or horizontal alignment. Normally on printers, you'll have kind of two at best, but it's broken down a little bit more thoroughly here. But regardless of that, the top three are essentially vertical alignment and the bottom one is the horizontal one. So if you're experiencing prints with like a fuzzing around the outside of the characters and it just doesn't quite look right, or you're getting like a haze of a different color around objects that are being printed, I'd recommend checking out the vertical alignment. And if you're getting breaks in your characters or things that are overlapping, you're getting like a darker line of a specific color, things of that nature, you're safe to just go for horizontal alignment. I'm going to pop straight into vertical alignment. First of all, if you wanted the steps for horizontal alignment, I'll make sure there are time codes in the description. So let's go into this one. And after just a moment, and with this page printed, you see it's broken down into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on each of these rows, we're looking for the block that has the result with the fewest vertical lines running through it. Hopefully you can see on camera. You've got little lines running through a lot of these, and you're looking for the very best one. So I'll show you number 1, for example. I see you've got the lines running right up until we get to 3, and then 4 is pretty much perfect. And then again, they're sneaking back in again on 5 and 6. So on the screen, you can use the plus and the minus to change the number you're selecting. So I'm going to leave mine on 4 and press OK. Now I'm going to repeat this for the other 5 lines. When you're done, press dismiss, and we're taken back to this page. Now for the horizontal alignment, go down, press in. It's very similar, but we have a slightly different looking page. Now we are again looking for the very best quality result. At this time, we're looking for where the colored boxes overlap the least. So as you can see, 2 boxes there, and where they meet in the center, got that more distinct line where the ink's been laid over the same spot twice. So we want to choose the result, which we don't spot that on. And to me, 7 is looking absolutely perfect. 6 has ever such a slight issue on there. So we use the plus and the minuses here to change the number shown on the screen. Take that up to 7, press OK, OK again, and we're done. Now we do have basic alignment and ruled alignment, and both of these seem to center around lines running down the page and having like slight kinks in them. So if you look at the one for basic alignment, looking at where the lines are meeting, you can see they're slightly misaligned. So if you're getting kinks in lines or text or images running down your page, it might be worthwhile running one of these 2. Here's the other one. It's a similar kind of story. Now I obviously have quite a lot of time to play with printers and bits like that, and I've never had calls to kind of troubleshoot this particular issue, but they've included the feature on the printer, so there must be some need for it. And it's certainly worthwhile checking out if your prints aren't looking quite right. But that's about all there is to see here. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, take care and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.